Welcome to the beautiful forests and village landscapes of Sri Lanka, home to one of the island's most fascinating wild animals, the grizzled giant squirrel. Known for its long bushy tail, fast movements, and unique appearance, this rare squirrel is one of the most interesting creatures found in Sri Lanka's dry forests and rural areas. Although many people admire its beauty and intelligence, the grizzled giant squirrel also creates challenges for farmers and village communities. In this video, we explore its appearance, habits, life cycle, food, behavior, and its relationship with people and nature. Herb appearance, a beautiful forest animal. The grizzled giant squirrel is much larger than ordinary squirrels. It has a long fluffy tail chipmunk, gray and brown mixed fur fog, strong legs for climbing deciduous tree, sharp claws for gripping branches, bright alert eyes. Its tail can sometimes be longer than its body, helping it balance while jumping between trees. This squirrel moves quickly and gracefully, making it look like an acrobat of the forest. Deciduous tree habitat and lifestyle. In Sri Lanka, these squirrels are mainly found in dry zone forests, riverbank trees, waterwave, village gardens, palm tree, coconut and fruit growing areas, banana. They spend most of their lives high in trees and rarely come to the ground. The squirrel builds nests called drays using leaves and twigs, usually placed on tall branches for safety. Red apple food and eating habits. The grizzled giant squirrel eats many types of natural foods. Favorite foods: fruits, red apple, nuts, chestnut, seeds, seedling, tender leaves, herb, flowers, hibiscus, tree bark, deciduous tree. Sometimes they also visit village gardens and farms looking for easy food. Because of this, they may damage coconut crops, coconut, mangoes, mango, bananas, banana, home garden vegetables, leafy green. Counterclockwise arrows, button. Life cycle of the squirrel. The life cycle of this squirrel is very interesting. Growing stage. As they grow, young squirrels learn climbing skills, jumping between branches, finding food, avoiding predators. Chipmunk adult life. Adult squirrels become highly active and independent, spending most of the day searching for food and protecting their territory. Eyes, behavior and intelligence. The grizzled giant squirrel is known for being fast and energetic, high voltage, very alert ear, intelligent brain, excellent climbers, deciduous tree. They communicate using loud calls and tail movements, especially when they sense danger. Watching them jump between trees is an amazing experience for wildlife lovers and photographers. Warning: challenges for village life and farming. Although beautiful, these squirrels sometimes create problems for people living in forests and gardens. Common issues: damaging coconuts, breaking small branches, visiting home gardens, frequently housewood gardening. Farmers may lose part of their crops because of squirrel activity. However, many villagers still respect these animals because they are part of Sri Lanka's natural heritage. Globe showing Europe, Africa conservation and protection. The population of the grizzled giant squirrel faces challenges due to forest destruction, deciduous tree, habitat loss, building construction, road accidents, automobile, human conflict. Warning: protecting forests and maintaining green areas are important for their survival. Wildlife conservation programs help protect these rare animals for future generations. Camera with flash, tourist guide, best experience. For tourists and wildlife lovers, seeing a grizzled giant squirrel in nature is a special experience. Best places: forest reserves, national parks, national park, village areas near forests, deciduous tree. Best time: early morning sunrise, late afternoon sunset. Tips: stay quiet, shushing face, use binoculars, telescope, avoid feeding wildlife, prohibited. Microphone, final voiceover, closing. The grizzled giant squirrel is one of Sri Lanka's most unique and beautiful wild animals. From its long tail and incredible climbing skills to its intelligent behavior and important role in nature, this squirrel is truly fascinating. Even though it sometimes creates challenges for village gardens and crops, it remains an important part of Sri Lanka's wildlife and biodiversity. So, if you ever travel through the forests and villages of Sri Lanka, keep your eyes on the trees. You may be lucky enough to spot this rare forest acrobat jumping through the branches.